Hi Bob, Sam here with VentTabs. I got your message on the Elantra tab and wanted to send a quick video to maybe help just continue the conversation. Very well could have received the wrong tab. I wanted to make sure though that I've learned, I did some investigation after receiving your email, and I want to make sure that I communicate a problem I think that I may have created, and that's the tab, the legs on the back of the tab. And so I guess first and foremost, this is the tab. I don't have the chrome piece in, but that does fit the Elantra, or is designed to. It's a 3D printed tab with legs that are offset. And so I looked at some pictures of the interior on the Elantra, and as near as I can tell, this is a center vent, right hand side or passenger side. And so the legs, I think the instructions I sent with the tab show the legs being on the right hand side, which actually, after experimenting with this, they should be on the left hand side. So what I like to do when installing this is that vertical post back behind the louvers is make sure that's kind of close to the center, kind of the louvers in the back are as near to the center as they can be. So that's step one. And then start the tab onto the louver. Whoops, they kind of moved on me, but it should snap into place, and then provide close to full range of motion on the Elantra vent. So again, I just wanted to shoot this video and keep the conversation going. Let me know your thoughts after watching it. Thanks.